Hello, friends. Welcome to IBGO. I am Shelly, and you are going to watch some interesting facts about Maldives. Maldives, the ड्रीम आइलैंड मालदीव्स। आज हम मालदीव्स के बारे में कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स और उसकी कुछ जानकारियाँ जानने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम इसकी पॉपुलेशन के बारे में बात करते हैं। यहाँ का जो पॉपुलेशन है वो है 3,24,000 और यहाँ का एरिया 298 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर है। मेजर लैंग्वेज यहाँ का दिवेही और मेजर रिलीजन यहाँ का इस्लाम है। लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी 76 ईयर्स फॉर मेन एंड 79 ईयर्स फॉर वुमेन। यहाँ पे जो करेंसी चलती है वो आपको मालदीवियन रुपया में जानी जाएगी, जिसको हम MVR भी कहते हैं। सो मालदीव्स इज़ अ स्मॉल आइलैंड नेशन इन साउथ एशिया located in the Arabian Sea of the Indian Ocean. Malé is the capital and the most populated city, traditionally called as King's Island. In 2019, over 1.7 million visitors came to the Maldives island. The number of resorts increased from 2 to 92 between 1972 and 2007. According to 2007, over 83,80,000 tourists visited Maldives. So अब मेनली हम बात करने वाले हैं विजिटर्स के बारे में। अब विजिटर्स की जो भी क्वेरी है वो मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि इसमें पूरी तरीके से क्लियर हो जाएगी, क्योंकि मालदीव्स जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव जगह है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। विजिटर्स टू द मालदीव्स डू नॉट नीड टू अप्लाई फॉर वीज़ा प्री अराइवल regardless of their country of origin, provided they have a valid passport, proof of onward travel, and the money to be self-sufficient while in the country. Most visitors arrive at Vilana International Airport on Hulhuli Island, adjacent to the capital Malé. The airport is served by flights to and from India. Gan Airport also serves an international flight to Milan several times a week. In Maldives, there are three main ways to travel between islands: by domestic flight, by seaplanes, or by boat. The traditional Maldivian boat is known as dhoni. Sea boats and seaplanes tend to be more expensive, while travel by dhoni, although slower, is relatively cheaper and convenient. Now, types of accommodation in Maldives resorts. Medufushi Island Resort offers a range of different suites that fits everybody's needs. First is beach villa, second is water villa, and third is lagoon suite. The resort arranges the water seaplane for you from the airport to the island and reverse. The seaplane costs $350 for two people. The seaplane is a unique experience itself. Now I will tell you about the places you can visit in Maldives. First is Malé, second is Addu Atoll, third is Addu City, fourth is Mafushi, fifth is Dangheti, and sixth is Gan, seventh is Gulhi, and etc. Now, the question arises is how to take your dream trip to the Maldives on a budget. So, you can contact IBGO. The email, contact number, and the Insta ID is given below, so you can contact them. Now, the second question is why Maldives? Why Maldives become different and more attractive place to visit? So I will tell you the facts that are really helpful for you, so that you can know that why Maldives. Now the first point is we should beware of sun in Maldives. A very high sun protection is a must-have as it is located close to the equator. Maldives receives high amount of sun rays, almost direct. They strike at a 90-degree angle. Second point, in Maldives, some island shapes can be modified by nature. The sand is moved away and eventually brought back by seasonal currents during monsoons. Third, the world's biggest fish has its official sanctuaries in Maldives. Now, the fourth point is Maldives owns the title of the lowest country in the world with an average of only 1.5 meters above sea level. Fifth, the shape of the famous traditional Maldivian boat, the dhoni, might have been inspired from the ancient Arabian sailing dhow, commonly used as a trading ship in Indian Ocean around the 11th century. Sixth, it is very important point. Cowrie shells can be found by millions in Maldives. They were used as units of money during medieval times. That's why nowadays shells commonly ornate Maldivian coin. Now the seventh point. There are approx 1200 islands in Maldives. Around 800 of them are still uninhabited. 200 islands are populated. About 200 host hotels and resorts. The rest of them are used for airports, agriculture, picnic, industrial activity. Now the eighth point is feeding fishes during snorkeling in the Maldives or elsewhere in the world is harmful to them. Our food is not part of their ecosystem and surely not adapted to their digestive system. No breed the sea is not a bakery. So, यहाँ पे अब हमारा जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो ख़त्म होता है. For further information, you can contact IPGO and it will surely help you out in making your trip better and fulfill your dreams of visiting some places with them and make some new memories. Thank you for watching IPGO. Fly where you go. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसको लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर ज़रूर करें और कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो इन दिए गए डिटेल्स पे कांटेक्ट करें.